I never wear makeup. You're not going to, oh, that's a good idea actually. Yeah, how much still? You're not having dinner tonight, all of you. Also, zeg maar normal, I can't believe it. I warned you not to turn me into a clown. Show me.
Yes.
Oh, this one is cute. Show him. It's cute.
Yeah,
I look like wie heißt man Ray of English? I look like a little antelope or something like that. Now I'm trying to make everything really nice.
Crazy, but here do you look a little bit, yes? Mom.
Okay, so are you done with the video? Hi my lovelies, it's Ruth Hoff again. Today we're going to be doing a very fun, light video. And it was an idea from my son, so we're going to be doing our makeup video. My sons are going to do my makeup. Actually, I never do any makeup all my life. The only makeup I've ever done is use powder because I have a very shiny skin. Like it tends to get oily very fast. So I remember from the time like I was, I think 18, I started using powder, like this brown powder. And currently for the last number of years, I've been using the MAC powder. And look, honestly, that's all. I almost spoke German. Honestly, that's all I use. And depending on the situation, I like to put some lip color. So I'm not more into the lipstick. There's some lip color that I use from a French label. That's my favorite because it doesn't dry my lips. And that's it. But you're going to laugh your heads off because this is called a makeup video, but it actually should be called doing my makeup without makeup, right? Because I have very few things. I know with makeup, I always see what people use. I have a sister that loves makeup. I know there's concealer, there's what is it called, eyeshadow, there's foundation, all those things I've heard about them, but I've never used them and actually don't have them. I just have a bit of powder. I'll clip that in the video, some lipstick or lip color, eye pencil, eyebrow pencil, and then I have some eyeshadow that I bought in London. And to be honest, it's because my sister forced me to buy it. She was like, there's no you can tell me that you don't use eyeshadow, we're going to buy it for you and show you how to use it. So I bought it, but I have never used it again. So I'm probably going to use it today and get rid of it until I get to buy another eyeshadow forced by my sister who happens to love makeup. Shout out to you, Layusa. So let's start and I hope my boys enjoy it. So
it's very important that he knows be the worst.
I swear if you guys turn me to a clown.
An avatar.
Okay, are you ready? Okay, show me.
3, 2, 1. Yes,
okay, again?
Yes.
Hi lovelies. Nee, Marty, du was.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, now you can hear some good English. That was just a joke. Today me and my brother will style my mom and I will just stay. We'll start with the lipstick. Let's
go.
So
you want to say hello?
Hello.
Okay. Okay.
So,
Martin,
so pray for me and let's see what comes out of this makeup. So which part is starting with? My skin, my lips, my eyes?
The lips.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's start, Martin.
Okay, Mr. Damien.
Close your eyes. Ooh.
No, I don't have to look at
Don't forget to follow my mom on YouTube and Instagram. That's my turn.
You Martin
this
next.
is already starting so well. Don't say each other's names. I don't like to have your names on the internet.
That's
Should I?
Please.
Okay.
Sorry.
Bewege dich.
Oh my god. And you have to tell everyone what you're doing now. What are you doing? Are you doing
Doing the
lipstick?
lipstick?
Okay.
Yeah, lipstick.
Ultra special lipstick with 2 colors
Oh, sounds nice.
and an out ranking.
Oh my god, I'm really nervous.
Good English? Yeah.
Okay, don't forget you have to use all the things that are here because I
Yeah.
have a lot of makeup.
Okay,
Yes,
and now?
no.
So I'll open my eyes a little bit.
What is this?
That's
Oh.
how it
So-
goes.
You're doing a close-up.
What's that?
Yeah.
Okay. So next,
What's that?
that's for the eyebrows. You have to be loud. Eyebrows. Yeah, you have to get the pencil out. This is the sponge.
Yeah.
This is the pencil. So you have to make
Oh.
to draw in my eyebrows, and then after you can shape them.
Let's go. Okay.
Don't break it. It's very expensive.
How will you?
Yes. Just muss auch ein bisschen rutschen, ja.
Pass auf.
Sag nicht Namen bitte. So
Go to.
everyone can do one side. That's an
Attention.
eyebrow pencil. You say that eyebrow pencil.
Bro to attention. I don't know how it's in English, but in French.
Okay. Please don't break it.
I think it's good enough, Martin.
So lovelies, as you watch this video, you'll have to help me rate this makeup, the work they've done from 1 to 10. Let me know what you think of it, how nice they've done my face, because like I've told you, I've never done like proper makeup. The only makeup I use is powder and lip color. That's it. So for the first time, I'm getting a full face bit.
What is this?
So one person's going, which one is that? Oh, that is mascara.
What do you do?
That's Vimpan Touche, like to enhance. I can close my eyes and you try and.
Oh no. I don't want to.
Are you scared? You want to try it? Let me show you. Just a little bit.
First try.
But be very careful.
Yeah, I don't want to.
I don't want to become blind. It's only for these hairs, okay? So you brush them upwards so that they look beautiful like yours. You see you have very nice, long, dark eyelashes. So because mine are long, but
so that's good enough. That's enough.
Yeah, no, that's it.
for it to be like dark and thick, I use mascara. But like I said, that's something I don't use on a daily. I only use that when like I'm going out for special occasions.
That's good.
Or if I'm going to dance. I say that is only for the eyelashes.
Boys,
Boys, I'm warning you, don't turn me into a clown, because I'm going to see this video after and you won't have dinner, okay? That will be a punishment. So can I open my eyes now? Yeah.
Rate if this is a clown in the comments. I think not. And yeah,
Not
that's
too close. I
that
will look
is
like
good
a clown
English.
indeed. Oh my god, not too close, darling.
It's for the Bleistift.
So that's also for the. Wait, I tell you something. That is for this, or you can use it here, but I will not let you use it there. It's too dangerous.
We make your nose a little bit brown.
What?
Browner that you can see my beautiful nose.
I'm not sure I want you to do that.
It's very important because you
Stop
can-
watching that enough. Don't the pencil. Don't. Don't.
Oh my god. But you have to tell my lovelies, my viewers, exactly what you're doing. A little bit, talk to them.
No, I will do some.
And of course, you have to be out of the camera.
various
please.
things.
Wait.
Various things,
Yes,
okay.
and I will say do a little high. No,
Okay.
a one.
So
Because
remember,
it's
there
my
are many
first
things
makeup
there. All of them have to be used. Oh my god. Can I open my eyes a
Yeah.
little bit? So what have you? So now you have to
I need
use
to do
this.
something very important. Wait. My brother, can you please come? I have to tell you something what I'm doing.
Welchen Stift? Nicht so nach Schatz, sonst sehe ich nicht.
Okay. Mom, please close your eyes again.
Oh wait, I'm going to do like your cousin Zara.
Okay, ready?
So
It's very important that your nose be still. Very still.
I swear, if you guys turn me to a clown.
An avatar.
Okay, das ist gut jetzt. So, wait a minute. Wait a
I will
minute.
do
Stop
some more
watching.
lipstick.
Don't be saying his name all the time. Don't be saying Kamera.
Now are we doing your lipstick?
Schatz, magst du Licht anmachen schon?
Was
So ein bisschen.
nein.
Okay.
that's
Wir machen Licht an.
Bro too, no.
Sag nicht nein.
No.
So you also have to use this.
Oh,
This is the brush that you use.
after the things.
So normally this one they use it here. Look at me. Normally they use it here, and I think here as highlighter, or you can choose. Just use whatever colors you like.
Yeah. But I will do
So
some-
just show your skill. So lovelies, as you can see, I really wait a minute. I'll help you open it. But I'm going to, I think, throw it away after. Or I'll keep it for my next adventures.
I will do first.
No, you're going, let him start. You've done a lot. Let him also do. You're going to exchange. There are many colors. You stay here and you watch. When you talk to our members, remind them to subscribe, to follow me on Instagram.
Subscribe, my mom.
So I close my eyes, or
do you think she looks
and you have to
beautiful?
look in the camera.
Yeah, I think I did a very good job. And
you have to be audible so that they hear you. Your mother, you know, typical mom. Okay.
Oh, I don't know that it looks like so. I thought it looked so.
holy moly.
You can choose different colors.
Yeah.
That feels nice. It's soft, the brush. I'm in trouble. Oh my god, don't let them give me a bad. For the English speaking people, a bart is a German word where we mean beard. Because I remember using that word sometime in England, everyone was like, what? A bart? So a bart is a beard. I hope they don't give me a moustache. You know what a moustache is, Jungs? Yeah.
No.
It's the beard that is around here.
So.
We name das, we call that in German Schnauzer, right?
Yeah, a German Schnauzer.
German Schnauzer.
Good.
So you can give your brother when you're done.
Yeah.
And then you can also put here, I think,
Okay.
because it's called eyeshadow, but you can use different colors. Can you tell me to shut up, you know? You're supposed to do the video and I'm giving you instructions non-stop. So my lovelies, as you can see, being a mom is a full-time job. It's very difficult, like to let go, to relax and not give instructions. So starting of this second, I'm going to relax, sit back and let my boys do the makeup without me talking too much. So I'm laying back and leaving everything in their hands. Once again, rate the video from 1 to 10. What do you think of it? Don't be saying each other's names, please. Thank you.
Brother, you can do that.
Oh, my brother from another mother.
There's also this,
Hey, where's the pencil?
the brush.
Yeah.
It's here.
Oh.
Aber Schatz, nicht immer den Sicht verspannen, muss ein bisschen Handseite.
Oh.
So this is also powder. Should I smile? Okay. Ooh, I feel pretty. Oh, you have to warn me before you make me blind.
Close your eyes.
Don't spoil it. If you make me look like a clown, you're in trouble, I'm telling you.
No, I would never do those things. I'm literally a very good boy.
You are a good boy, hopefully.
Yes, I'm a very good boy.
So Bobo here is auch noch gut und da ist ein Schwamm, if you want to use. Oh my god, I promise I'm going to shut up. Now I'm shutting up, okay?
Yeah,
Okay,
so.
Martin.
You do the work.
Now do we do the pencil stuff, Mom? You don't use it anymore, or?
Which one?
Wait, Mom,
This is
no,
what
you have
Martin
to
is right now doing.
Mom, you have to.
Don't spoil it, you don't have to scratch it. You just wish.
Yes.
And this one, be very careful, it's extremely expensive. That's marked
Okay,
powder,
then
okay?
wait. Close your eyes, please, ma'am. It's very okay. Wait, you have to tip.
Explain what you're doing, Bobo.
We are doing the mascara.
Yeah, go on.
That is, I don't know.
Kamerasicht, Schatz.
You can see it.
Mom!
Yeah, es ist wichtig. So you'll excuse us, as you can see, we speak different languages in this household. When I'm at home, actually, the only language we basically speak is German, every once in a while French and English, but as you notice,
French?
I keep forgetting yes
French
sometimes.
fries.
French?
But as you can see, I keep forgetting and speaking more German instead of English. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah.
Are you done?
No.
Can you send me out like this in the public? Not yet.
Oh, no.
Yes, but I
when
think
you,
I have to.
when you go to...
And someone complained about French because he's really lazy and doesn't want to learn French. Am I right? You have to accept.
Yeah. No, that's a very bad boy. I have to do a picture for my album. That's a little bit.
Aber Schatz, wenn du den Sicht verspannt, das macht keinen Sinn.
Okay, one picture just for me.
Not an ugly one. No, that's really ugly. Even put the because, oh my god, I don't know why, but I have a feeling you've turned me into a clown.
Oh.
Okay.
Wait.
What do you?
That's their video live now.
What do you think? That's not a clown, huh? No.
She looks very beautiful. Okay.
Do you? Okay, Mom. Now we
You
will
have to
show
talk
you.
to my people.
Mom,
if you're done, I need
It's
a
time
mirror.
of the time. I will
That's
show
a
you.
mirror then.
I will show you now how you are looking. Are you ready for this?
Wait, I do.
Yes,
okay.
aber der Kamera sieht
Nein,
nicht da
nein,
sein, dass
also.
man meine Reaktion sieht. Du musst auf die Seite.
Okay.
Auf diese Seite, Bobo.
Warte, wait, Mats. Oh, wait.
Nicht nah.
I do. Why?
Schatz, du musst hier hin, du musst nicht im Kamera.
Yes.
You want to make a photo?
No, a video.
First a photo, please.
I have done a photo.
Mine's Witz.
So I'm now going out for dinner. I got
Martin.
Are you ready, Mom?
I think I like
It's
my face.
time to show you the beautiful face.
But if you're talking to them, you either have to look in the
Okay,
camera
okay.
because they are seeing your
Now
beautiful
I will
dairy.
show you how my mom would react if she see. Yes, this picture. Okay, are you ready?
Okay, show me.
3, 2, 1. Yes,
Okay, again?
Yes.
Again? Oh, holy smokes. Is it unverschämt? Also, say no man? Oh my goodness. Okay, show me again.
Yeah, for the people.
This explains why I never wear makeup. You're not going to, oh, that's a good idea actually. Yeah, how much still? You're not having dinner tonight, all of you. So, say man normal, I can't believe it.
Okay.
I warned you not to turn me into a clown. Show me.
Yes, Mom.
Oh, this one is cute. Show it. This looks cute.
just want
I look like wie heißt man Ray of English? I look like a little antelope or something like that. No, I'm trying
You
to
look
give
a
it
little crazy, but here do you look a little bit, yes, Mom.
Okay, so are you done with the video?
Yeah, I think
So tell the people maybe to rate you. What you just say anything you want to talk to them because
Okay.
it's you who made the video. You come here and talk to them. You can speak English or German, whichever you like, but better a little bit of English. Yes, you can go in the camera and talk.
Okay, I'm in, I think so.
Yes.
That was the video where I and my brother
He's
came
coming.
in and styling my mom with wake
Makeup. With wake up. With makeup, it's okay.
with makeup and turn her in and turn
You can
her
say
hair.
now in German, you will say in English. You say the sentence in German.
Okay, ich und mein Bruder haben heute meine Mom gestylt mit Make-up und haben sie zu so wie sie gerade aussieht gemacht.
So, now it's in English. Today me and my brother have styled my mom very beautiful to
Would you
a
go out
model.
like this?
And
They've turned me into a model. Okay,
Yeah.
good.
And hope you like the video and
Rate the video from 1 out of 10, how your skills are, how good you are. Maybe you'll be future makeup artists. And tell them subscribe.
and no,
Subscribe. And I have to look at myself.
we will show you later a picture where you can see my mom after she's not a model. So
after
bye.
I'm not a model anymore.
And subscribe for the next time.
Wait,
Bye.
Marty.
Like
Good
a clown
English.
indeed. Oh my god, not too close, darling.
for the Bleistift.
So that's also.
Brother, you have done too much.
Yeah, that's not
Oh my god, don't damage my skin. It's not leather. Oh, this. Oh, today there's no dinner. I can tell you.
Okay.
I think I just have to take a bath, right?
Yes, we don't get
Oh,
my
the
God.
camera's on.
Oh, just put off the camera quickly. Oh my